It's a little bit easier.
Mm-hmm.
Fucking climb up on it.
Might as well take the bed off your truck. It'd be a lot easier.
Well, I'm definitely thinking to take the headers out to put the V-bands on.
It's already recording.
Oh, is it? Oh, sick camera work by me. Awesome. There we go.
I can pull it out, yeah?
Yeah.
So we are on our 100th exhaust setup now, and I gotta say, I think this is probably my favorite one so far. This is just a knockoff MagnaFlow from Performance Curve. I'll try and leave a link in the description. It's a 3-inch center in, or I guess they're reversible, so 3-inch in, 3-inch out. It's the 18-inch, or it was the bigger one, so I went with a little bigger one to try and quiet this thing down, and so far I really like it. We'll wait and see what it sounds like on the freeway, but has a nice deep tone, doesn't drone inside the cab, and hopefully it doesn't clap like the old exhaust did, so I'll sell that to someone else that thinks it's cool. But yeah, so far I really dig it. Truck is absolutely filthy. I washed it on the way home because we got the wheels and tires mounted for the Duramax, and you know they use that goo or the soapy water to get the tires on the wheel. So yeah, they look cool, but I want them clean, so we're gonna stop and kill two birds with one stone. Up on the camera, I noticed that, especially my Duramax, it sounds like the drone's a lot worse on camera than it actually does in person. Because in the Duramax is really only 1 RPM. And it kind of depends on like the load. Like you're kind of putting up a hill and it's kind of bogging, then it kind of drones, but not bad at all. In this, unless you're like, you know, getting on it, I really don't hear it very much, which is good. It's the way I like it, the way I want it. Nice and quiet while you're just cruising, and when you floor it, you can hear it. And I'm sure a lot of you guys are probably going to comment on the check engine light. It's the transmission, it slips every now and then, which I'm actually surprised it hasn't let go, because it's still a stock 4L60. I put a Corvette servo in it. I put a deep transmission pan so it holds a little more fluid. Put a big cooler on it to keep it cool. But I mean, we have a heads cam stall 6-liter in front of it, and it hasn't let go yet. I mean, I'm not super hard on it, but I floor it at least once every time I drive it. So, but like I said in the last video, where I drove that guy's twin turbo Silverado, there's a guy here in town that can build them to hold the horsepower. I'm gonna call him probably, this week. I called him over the weekend, they're closed, but call him and see what their packages are, horsepower levels, how much it costs and whatnot. A lot more convenient to have it done here in town than it would be to ship it somewhere. But so yeah, hopefully we have a built transmission soon and we can really turn this thing up and get rid of all the torque management. All right, now that we're outside, it's daytime, I'll show you what we did. Got us put like a little spout deal on the end. Oh, a little close, there we go. I think this is the 18-inch MagnaFlow knockoff, but it sounds just like it. This is the Flowmaster intermediate pipe I have. It's a true 3-inch instead of the 2 3/4 that it comes factory with. Might end up going over the axle eventually and dumping it back there, but for now, I like it. I got kind of tired of seeing the exhaust tip and like it like I thought I would. Yeah, turned out good though. So here's the old exhaust, and you can kind of see why maybe it was so loud, because this muffler is tiny. When I originally bought it, it was the smallest one they had. It's a Borla XR1. The Sportsman model. I kind of like the multi-core ones. Those ones sound pretty cool, but I think they're more expensive. That's probably why I didn't get it. But yeah, I'm kind of over it being super loud. I like the way it sounds now. Let's see, we got the wheels mounted up for the Duramax, but that is going to wait for another video. You can kind of see the wheel. Didn't buy new tires. Got a pretty damn good deal on a used set, so we'll just run these for a bit. And got some more accessories for it when we do install it, but that's going to be in the next video. Thank you for stopping in. Check in next week. You see these guys finally getting mounted up and whatnot. Pretty excited about it. Got some more things coming in. We have to level the front end out quite a bit. Ended up going with 33s. I think I said that on my Instagram. I'm not sure if not, but they're 20 by 10s, negative 24, 33 by 12.5 wide. So it's going to be a tight fit. A lot of trimming. Oh well. But thank you guys again for stopping in. Check me out on Instagram, Endless Wishlist 6.0. Take care. See you guys next time.